Hi guys, welcome to Amateur Chemistry. In today's video, we are going to explore the properties and the making process of sodium acetate. So first we need to start with a simple question. What is sodium acetate? Well, it's a sodium salt of acetic acid which looks like colorless crystals and gives off a faint smell of vinegar. It has a wide assortment of uses in many fields of science. The most notable ones include being a food additive, and in its trihydrate form it is used as so-called hot ice in instant heating pots. So how can you get it? You can just of course buy it for very cheap, but you can also make it from baking soda and vinegar. The reaction between them is just a classic neutralization reaction because the vinegar is an acid and baking soda is a base. It also generates a lot of carbon dioxide which powers all of these cool volcanoes and lava lamps. By the way, I made a video about homemade lava lamps, so I recommend you to check it out. To make this reaction, all we need to do is to get a generous amount of vinegar containing 4% or more acetic acid to a container, and then add small portions of baking soda until the foaming stops. Interestingly, this reaction is endothermic, so it removes heat instead of generating it. This reaction has no set amount of ingredients, so you can figure it out as you go. After the reaction is done, boil the water down, cool it to room temperature, and you are left with a supersaturated solution of sodium acetate in water. Also, when the mixture is boiling, impurities can appear, but they can be filtered by using a funnel and some cotton. The solution is supersaturated because it contains more sodium acetate than it can hold and wants to get it out, but it needs some starting energy to crystallize. Decrystallization can be initiated by tons of things, including a speck of dust or an impurity. So if you want to keep the solution supersaturated at room temperature, you need to ensure that it is clean. The rapid crystallization of sodium acetate releases a lot of heat, which is the main principle of an instant hot pack. The crystals can be dissolved again by heating them, which allows for continuous use of the heat pack. If you want to have dry crystals of sodium acetate trihydrate, you just need to dilute the supersaturated solution with some water and put it into a fridge. Then filter out the water and you are left with these soggy crystals. If you would like to make a small-scale version of a heat pack, you need to heat the crystals of sodium acetate until they melt and then gently pour the solution into a clean dish. Then allow it to slowly cool to room temperature. A layer of crust should form on the top, which helps to protect the supersaturated solution from crystallization. To activate it, just simply tap with a glass rod or to drop in a crystal of sodium acetate. Thanks for watching. If you have any video suggestions, write them in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more chemical content.